Today, we're going to see how to fix TikTok views on TikTok. This issue could be happening for various reasons. On this video, I will show you some of them. First, you have to launch the app on your mobile device. Once you have reached the main page of TikTok, you will have to go to your profile and then select the TikTok that has the view issue. Then, tap on the three dots in the lower right corner of the video. Choose the privacy settings icon and make sure your video is shown to all your contacts in TikTok. The second option is changing your privacy account settings. Perhaps you have your profile as private. In that case, your video will not become popular because only you can see them. To change this, go to your profile. Tap on the three-line icon and select Privacy and Settings. Next, tap on Privacy. What's next is switching this preference to show your profile as public. And now we are done. Now all that is left is to make your TikToks viral. That's all. Now you're ready to use it again.